Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of opening up the flow on the side of the body. We have these spaces in between your ribs. They're called intercostal spaces. And they can get really tight if you have a lot of stress and tension in your life. And when they get tight, it's hard to breathe. So we want to open them up a little bit more. So we're going to do something called a cross stretch. So feel a nice stability in your feet. Be nice and upright in your posture. And let's lift your right hand above your head and begin to lift it off to the left. Take your left hand and send it down towards your right toes. And leaning into it, let's take a breath in and start to open up this space. Exhale, let the arms float to the side and we'll transition. And now the left arm will come above the head, reaching off to the right. And the right hand's going to reach towards your left foot. Let's breathe into the ribs on the left side. Exhale. Let's alternate. Inhale. Let's reach across the body, stretching. Both fingers trying to reach away from each other. And exhale. Inhale. You can even lean into it to really open that up a little bit more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Arms float. Switching directions. Inhale. And exhale. You can even, as you do this, can squat down a little bit, just add the legs and then get nice and tall and stretch. Inhale into those ribs. Exhale. Inhale. Great. And one more each side. Exhale. Inhale, focusing on the left side. Exhale. And now inhale, focusing on the right side. And then drop that upper hand, let it fall down by your sides. Take a few breaths in and just see if you feel a little bit more flow into this area. Good. Feel free to do that longer if you'd like to really support that and it really gets some nice opening into the chest. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.